Hello, I'm Mayor Frank Ortis, mayor of the greatest city in the world, Pembroke Pines. I wanted to take this opportunity to update you on the many efforts being made to ensure that our residents and businesses remain safe and healthy during this pandemic. First, let me thank you all for cooperating and listening to the guidelines, alerts, and orders from our federal, state, and local officials. We're all in this together, and we'll get through this together, I promise. For those of you who have not listened, I urge you to take this virus seriously. Practice social distancing, be aware of the ever-changing news, and be vigilant. Don't panic, but be responsible. The City of Pembroke Pines is taking necessary precautions for the safety and health of our residents, employees, and visitors throughout this public health emergency. City officials are in constant communication with our state, county, and other community partners, and closely following key resources, including the Centers for Disease Control, the World Health Organization, and the Florida Department of Health, for updates and developing information. Our federal, state, and county governments have issued key declarations and recommendations that help protect the City of Pembroke Pines by providing the funding and resources necessary for an efficient response to COVID-19. We are following these declarations and executive orders, which can be found on our city's website. Let me encourage you to watch TV, visit our social media and website, and keep up to date on changes regarding this virus. Our Pembroke Pines firefighters, paramedics, and police officers deal with emergency situations on a daily basis and continue to serve our great residents. They are exercising appropriate precautions when responding to calls. We are posting all updates to keep you accurately and quickly informed. Here are just a few of the changes that we have initiated. City Hall at the Charles F. Dodge City Center and city buildings are closed to all external visitors. This will be reassessed as things progress and any updates are announced. To protect staff, most city employees have begun working remotely. However, all essential staff and essential services continue to maintain the government and business flow required for residents and businesses. The Finance Department, which provides services to the public and internal support services to all the city departments and offices, continues to operate with essential personnel. Commission office hours are suspended at City Hall. Residents who would like to share a concern or information or ask a question should contact city officials via email to get the quickest response. A directory with emails of all the officials and departments can be found on the city's website at www.ppines.com. A response via email will be provided as quickly as possible. All board meetings and committee meetings have been suspended until further notice. The next City Commission meeting, scheduled for April 1st, will be a virtual meeting. Details regarding viewing will be provided to you in the up and coming days. The city has adjusted operations at city facilities, offices, and sites to reduce public access. Many services are available online. The following operational changes are currently being followed. All organized sports have been suspended through the Parks and Recreation Department. All parks operated by the City of Pembroke Pines are closed to public access until further notice. This includes walking paths, playgrounds, and neighborhood parks that are not secured with fencing. Practicing social distancing is urged. Dog parks are closed, all pools have been closed, and swim lessons canceled. Playgrounds are closed. All recreation centers, Price Park and Towngate Park, are closed. And programming and rentals have been canceled. The Pembroke Lakes Tennis Center, Pembroke Lakes Golf Course, and Club 19 are closed. Recreational and racquetball courts at WCY are closed, as well as the Fletcher Arts Center and the River of Grass Art Park. The city's Public Service Department continues to work and operate with essential staff in place. The city utilities customer service lobby is closed to walk-in service to reduce foot traffic. However, the office will remain operational via phone, fax, and email for the following services: news service / water turn-ons and canceling service during the hours of 7 a.m. to 5:45 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Payments are encouraged to be paid via credit card, debit card, e-check, pay by phone, or via internet at www.ppines.com. Cash payments, while discouraged, will be accepted during the hours of 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Thursday, by appointment only. Residents can call 954-518-9000 to make an appointment, 954-518-9000 to make an appointment. The Pembroke Pines Community Service Staff is calling all 4,000 members of the Carl Schechter Southwest Focal Point Community Center. Social workers are having one-on-one counseling sessions over the phone and communicating with members through the internet and information being posted on social media. We are receiving 7 days of meals from Meals on Wheels that we will deliver to the homes of registered seniors in Pembroke Pines who ordinarily receive the meals at the center. The Transportation Division is operating. We continue to take people to doctor appointments, food shopping, and the drugstore. The Shuttle Bus is still operating on its normal schedule. The Housing Division continues to operate and is performing all normal functions. The Frank Art Gallery and Studio 18 in the Pines are closed, and all exhibits, programs, and workshops have been canceled until further notice. Public access to the building department at City Hall is restricted beginning March 26th at 7 a.m. until further notice. Staff will continue to provide essential services, but will restrict interactions with the public Monday through Wednesday following social distancing protocols. The building department will continue to be operational for inspections and plan review services for both existing permitted projects as well as permit application submittals. They will modify the way they intake permit applications and request that all applications be submitted electronically per instructions provided on the website. Please go to our website for details on operations I've mentioned and on all operations, closing, cancellations, and postponements. If you need to reach me, I am at your service. The fastest way is to email me at fortis@ppines.com. Be safe, practice social distancing, and remember, we are a strong community and Pembroke Pines proud. God bless the city of Pembroke Pines. We will get through this.